I'm Angela McIlveen, and the one thing I know that is if you are looking at this website right now, you're thinking about divorce. And I understand you're scared and you're worried and you're wondering what are the first things I need to think about. I want to talk to you today about the 10 things you should do before you even think about filing for divorce or moving out of your house. Now, I may not get to all 10. If I don't, you can always find those on our website. The first thing I'm going to tell you about might surprise you. My first suggestion is you talk to a marriage counselor or a counselor that can help you through this. Getting divorced is an emotional experience. It's not just courtroom stuff. This is your life. If you don't know of a counselor, you don't have someone that you trust, you can call our office. We can put you in touch with someone that's good to talk to. The second thing is consult with an attorney. It doesn't have to be our office. Find someone local to you if you don't live in our area. But talk to an attorney. Everything in family law is facts. It's all related to your specific things going on in your life. Not necessarily things that you can find on a website or that you can learn on your own. An attorney can give you good advice and tell you what your best options are. It can help you prevent you from making a lot of mistakes too. The third thing is think about your finances. Do you have your own credit card, your own line of credit, or are you solely dependent on your spouse for your credit? If you don't have credit on your own, now's the time to get it before you get divorced and find it difficult to get credit on your own. The other thing is if you don't have your own bank account, you want to go ahead and open that now. Start putting money in there so that you have some reserves to live on when you leave. The worst feeling is when you walked out the door and you find that you can't even afford to retain an attorney because you don't have access to any of the bank accounts. Be sure to set that up now. You can also run a credit report for yourself. There's ways to do that for free online. And check and see what your credit situation is. Are there loans that you don't know about on your credit? Do you have some joint accounts that no one mentioned? It's the time to know that right now before you even start the process of divorce. It's also a good time to start making a budget and deciding how you're going to live on one income versus the two that you're used to. If you haven't done those things, do those now. The fourth thing is find out about your spouse's income. We find all the time here in our business that people don't know what each other make. You don't know exactly what bonuses he's paid or when he's paid, or you may not know exactly what she makes or what her hourly rate is or whether she always gets 40 hours. Once you move out, it's really hard to get those documents and it takes a lot of time. Right now, you can look at your tax returns, you can make copies of those documents, you might be able to get W-2s out of your house and make copies of those documents, and you can certainly start checking your bank account and direct deposits and seeing how much is coming in each week. That's the starting point for getting divorced, is to know your situation. I've got about 6 other tips that are great for you before you even start thinking about filing for divorce. You can visit our website to learn more.